Hello, in the previous class I have explained some of the problems on fundamentals of logic. So in the next class, in today's class I am going to explain the remaining problems. So let us take the next one. So next problem is consider the following proposition. So there are three propositions are given based on a triangle ABC. So ABC is a triangle. So in that one there are three propositions are there. First one is ABC is a isosceles, means isosceles triangle. ABC is equilateral, ABC is equiangular. These are the three given propositions. Now the question is write down these following propositions in words. So some of the compound propositions are given. So involving P, Q or combined propositions are given. That is P and not Q is given, not P or Q is given. If P then Q is given. If not R, then not Q is given. So we have to write this compound proposition in words using these three PQR propositions. So let us take the first one. So first one is P and not Q is given. This statement P, ABC is isosceles, ABC is isosceles and not Q is there. So Q is ABC is equilateral, not Q is ABC is not equilateral. So that means the statement of the given proposition is ABC is isosceles and not equilateral. I am not writing ABC again because ABC ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಬರೀತಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ABC is isosceles and not equilateral. Not Q ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ not equilateral. Second statement is not P or Q. So not P is ABC is not isosceles and R is given, that is distinction is given, or ABC is equilateral or ABC is equilateral. And the next third one is if P, that means a conditional proposition is given. If P then Q. So if P then Q is nothing but if ABC is isosceles, then it is ABC is isosceles, then it is Q is equilateral, then it is equilateral. And the fourth statement is not if not R, then not Q. Again the conditional proposition with the negation of R and Q. If not R, then not Q. That means if ABC is not equiangular, because our statement is ABC is equiangular, negation for that one is if ABC is not equiangular, then it is not Q is given, not Q is, it is not equilateral. Three propositions are given in terms of statement. Now we have to write the combined propositions in terms in words using the given four compound propositions. So these are the required results. P and not Q, not P or Q. If P then Q, if not R then not Q. So there is statement ಇದೆ ಅದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀವಿ. If distinction symbol ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ and use ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, conjunction ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ R and negation ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ not. If it is a conditional proposition, then if and then apply ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು. So that is the first problem. The next problem, so given that indicate the truth value of each of the following. There are four statements are there. So we have to indicate the truth value of the given statement. The first statement is if 3 plus 4 is equal to 7, then 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. To write its truth value, so let us represent the first statement as P and second statement as Q. In all the four statements, in all the four questions there are two statements. Represent first one as P, second one as Q. So based on that result is true or false, we have to write the truth value of the given. if and then ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ it is a conditional propositions. If and then ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್ p ಅಂತ ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಒನ್ q ರೆಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದ್ರಿಂದ if p then q ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿದೆ. ಬಟ್ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಬೇರೆ ಬೇರೆ ಇದೆ. ಸೊ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ, p ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7 is true. Truth value of p is 1. Second statement, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So which is also true. Q is a true statement. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Since both are true, if then ಇವಾಗ apply ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ, that is if p then q, so ಏನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ 1 then 1, so resultant value is 1. That means the first statement is true. The truth value of the first one is true. Second one, again take the first statement as p, second statement as q. So what is the given result? 3 plus 4 is equal to 5. 3 plus 4 is equal to 7. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಿದೆ 3 plus 4 is equal to 5 ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ p is a false statement, hence it is 0. And again q ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. Yes, it is true. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10. It is a true statement. 3 plus 4 is not equal to 5, hence it is false, 0. 4 plus 6 is equal to 10, it is true, hence the truth value is 1. Then what is the value of if p then q? That means if 0 then 1, the resultant value is, so 0 to 1 is 1. The second statement is true. Next third one, 4 plus 2 is equal to 7, then 3 plus 2 is equal to 4. So 4 plus 2 is equal to, take this one as p, second statement as q. 4 plus 2 is equal to 7, which is not true. That means the value of p is 0. 4 plus 2 is equal to 6, 7 put it, it is a false statement. And q statement is 3 plus 2 is equal to 4, which is a false statement because 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Again q is a false, pq ಎರಡು false ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ its truth values are 0 and 0. Then if p then q is nothing but if 0 then 0, so resultant truth value is 1. 0 to 0 is 1, 1 to 1 is 1, 0 to 1 is 1. Next fourth statement, if 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, p q, if 4 plus 5 is equal to 9, yes, it is a true statement. Then the value of p is equal to 1. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. Then what is the next statement? 3 plus 1 is equal to 6, but 3 plus 1 is 4, that means it's, which is a false statement. Then the value of q is equal to 0. Then if p then q is nothing but if 1 then 0, 1 to 0 value is 0, which is a false statement. So in the given 4 statements, first 3 are the true statements, last one is the false one. That means the truth value of the first one is 1, truth value of the second one is 1, third one is 1, and fourth statement is 0. That is the second problem. And in the next problem, find the possible truth value of p, q and r in the following cases. So there are two compound propositions are given with its truth values. First one is false, second one is true. We have to write all the possible values of p, q and r. So first statement ಏನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ, conditional proposition is given. If p then q or r is given, which is a false statement. And conditional proposition alli in this one false ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ, that means 0 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ only possibility case ಇರೋದು 1 to 0 is equal to 0. This is a false statement, means this is in the form of 1 to 0 which is equal to 0, false statement. So conditional proposition alli false statement ಬರಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ possibility ಇರೋದು, because 0 to 0 is 1, 1 to 1 is 1, 0 to 1 is 1 and 1 to 0 is 0. So 1 to 0 ಒಂದೇ ಕೇಸಲ್ಲಿ 0 ಬರೋದ್ರಿಂದ the value of p is equal to 1, q or r is equal to 0. That means the value of p is equal to 1, which is the fixed term. Second one ಏನಿದೆ, q or r is equal to 0. r means it is a disjunction. So in disjunction combined values ಏನೇನು ಬರುತ್ತೆ, 0 or 0, 0 or 1, 1 or 1, 1 or 0. In all these cases the last three values is equal to 1. Disjunction alli if any one of the statement is true, then the resultant statement is true. 0 or 0 ಆದಾಗ ಮಾತ್ರ resultant statement is false. So in q or r 0 ಆಗಿದೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ that means the value of q is equal to 0, r is equal to 0 is the only case. In the disjunction, its compound proposition is 0. So in the first value, p is equal to 1, q is equal to 0, r is equal to 0 are the possible case. In the second one, a disjunction statement is given, conjunction statement is given, p, and if q then r is a true statement. So the given statement is true statement. So true ಆಗಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ and simple conjunction ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರೋದ್ರಿಂದ so conjunction ಅಲ್ಲಿ and ಬರೋದು only in the possible cases 1 and 1 is 1 because 0 and 1 is 0, 0 and 0 is 0, 1 and 0 is 0. So 1 ಬರಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದೇ possibility ಇರೋದು that is 1 and 1. That means p is 1 and if q then r value is 1. If q then r value is equal to 1. So that means the value of p is equal to 1. So on the p value is common in both the compound proposition, the value of p is equal to 1. So next one, q then r. If q then r value is 1. So conditional proposition alli the truth value 1 ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ so already ಹೇಳಿದಂಗೆ possible cases are 0 to 0 is 1, 0 to 1 is 1, 1 to 1 is 1. So these are the possible cases in the second one. That is ilu ashte p value is equal to 1. That is a fixed value in both the cases. Q value, so it may take 0, 0 or 1. So q value is 0, 1. So ಎರಡು possibility ಇದೆ. R value is 0, 1, 1. So in the first one both q and r are 0. So the possible cases are in all the condition the value of p is equal to 1. So q and r there are three possible values 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So that means 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 1. So combining the first one is 1, 0, 0, the value for the first problem which is a false statement. Second one is 1, 1, 0, 0 which is 1, 1, 0, 1 which is equal to 1, 1, 1, 1 which is equal to 1. So these are the possible cases and these are the possible truth values of the given compound proposition. So in the next video I am going to explain the remaining problems. Yes, thank you.